Overwhelmed by busy days and endless to-do lists? Meet Smart Planner AI. Just type in what you need to achieve today, and AI instantly generates the perfect daily schedule for you. You can easily review, tweak, or customize any time slot to fit your flow. Your tasks are neatly organized, filtered by today, tomorrow, or upcoming events, making it effortless to track your progress at a glance. Access your dashboard to add manual tasks or switch to the interactive calendar to map out your entire week or month. Never miss a beat. Smart Planner AI keeps you on track with timely notifications and reminders for every upcoming session. Ready to level up your productivity? Dive into detailed analytics to track your completion rates and ask the AI for personalized insights to improve your daily focus. Tailor the planner to your life. Set your language preferences, customize your reminder times, and define your sleep hours so the AI never schedules late-night tasks. Plus, seamlessly sync it with your Google Calendar to keep everything in one place. Take control of your time today at smartpln.com.